Success is a long journey of hard work, dedication, determination, and a vision for tomorrow. In 1980, at the heart of Dongshan, a small but resilient sheet metal and stamping factory took their first bold step towards a global technological breakthrough. With a determined drive and focused vision, the company grew strong, and in 1998, DSBJ was established. This move sparked the beginning of a formidable journey to providing high-end technological solutions for leading enterprises in the electronic industries worldwide. Built on strong culture and values of diversity and simplicity, DSBJ has surpassed tough transitional periods, critical challenges, and achieved breakthroughs and significant milestones. The journey began from the specialized production of sheet metal and telecommunication products and services to the manufacturing of die casting products and technologically advanced ceramic products. From the production of some of the world's most advanced printed circuit boards to the state-of-the-art LED technology of the future. Today, we have built an industrial park offering world-class production lines in the industry, equipped with the most sophisticated machinery and technologies to provide high-end innovative products and quality services to our customers in these fast-evolving and competitive markets. Our vast experience and capability of a team of highly skilled workforce constantly brings new innovative solutions that drive success for our customers' businesses. At DSBJ, our experts and engineers work with customers in close collaboration to better understand their technical blueprint so as to strategically and creatively help solve the most challenging product innovation facing an ever-evolving digital world. As a leading company in interconnect solutions, we have committed ourselves to extensive research and development of new innovation. At our Interconnect Technology Center in Zhuhai, where some of the most advanced and reliable printed circuit technology is developed, we strive to create and perfect new technologies, processes, and highly reliable applications to further meet the growing technology needs of the future. Over the years, with our vision to meet increasing demands for innovative technology in these fast-growing industries, we have rapidly expanded our production facilities and offices globally, from China to Southeast Asia, Europe, and the Americas. To further position ourselves in the forefront of today's technology, we are constantly investing in the most advanced technology, machinery, and equipment that helps raise product quality and increase capacity to meet faster product-to-market needs for our customers. Today, DSBJ has become a leading worldwide technology partner, providing critical components for IoT intelligence with major in telecommunication, automotive, medical, and consumer electronics. Our annual projected sales revenue has now reached a staggering new height. Despite rapid technological changes in these industries, DSBJ has helped develop solutions that meet the future demands of electronic applications for an increasingly digital world. Today, we celebrate the success of a cohesive teamwork, an innovative spirit, and a relentless drive for perfection. Thanks to our global partners for the trust and recognition they have given us through these years. It is our relentless commitment to provide new innovative solutions to our customers as we lead forward together on this journey to shape tomorrow's technology and to build a better connected world for the next generation. DSBJ, building a better connected world for tomorrow.